What's up everybody? So for this video, let's get straight into it. So I know many of us get inspired from what we see online, and I wanted to create something recreate something from a fashion / commercial photographer, Clay Cook.
I'm Clay Cook. I'm an editorial and portrait photographer based in Louisville, Kentucky. I think I'm most known for my studio work, but much of my work takes place outside on location.
So straight to the setup, as you can see here, he was using a V-flat with Profoto, whatever type of light, I think it was a Profoto, with no reflector or modifier, straight harsh light. Now I wanted to recreate this shot, but you know, my way. So what I did was I used two V-flats from V-flat World, black side and the white side, and Tracy the model was placed on the white side while wearing black. So the setup for this session was two V-flats, the black side and the white side, and a 70-inch umbrella diffused with the Westcott FJ400. So since Clay Cook went harsh for his video, I wanted to go soft. So again, here's Clay Cook's final shot. And these are the shots that I created. Now let me know in the comments if I did a decent job to recreating it or if I did a better job. I don't want to, you know, say that I did better than Clay Cook because he's a beast of a photographer. You don't follow him, follow his work. Even if his old work, because he doesn't do fashion, editorial, commercial style photography anymore. But there is still inspiration there. Now I want to do a series like this where I can get inspo from other photographers from, like, you know, that inspire me and just recreate it and see if I did a better job or a bad job compared to, or a decent job at least. But let me know in the comments down below what you thought. Was it decent? Also, let me know if you're into these short format videos, just so I can pump out some videos here and there. Or if you wanted me to add a little bit more minutes, I would do so. Give Tracy Diaz, the model, a follow in the description down below. Everything that I use for this shoot is in the description down below. And I'm done. See you in the next one.